Ni hao, strategic and organized Eastwood scholars and staff. Please demonstrate 5 at this time. Thank you for demonstrating 5 and projecting your intelligence as these wonderful 5th graders have. I am Dr. Henry, the principal at Eastwood Elementary School, and I am with today some wonderful, patient, strategic people, and they are
Zora from Mrs. Mock's class. And Dylan Higgins from Mrs. Davidson's class.
Thank you for being on time. They're strategic. They were on time, so they are planning ahead. So they are strategic. They are strategic 5th graders. What are you? Strategic. Now today I asked them how they plan and be strategic about being patient or tolerant. So we have a new word today, tolerant, being patient or tolerant. So if you're patient, you are tolerant. So what is the word? Tolerant. If I'm really, really patient and I wait, I am demonstrating some tolerance. So we could demonstrate tolerance. Let's say that together. Tolerance. Now Dylan, I'll start with you. How do you demonstrate and be strategic in your thinking about being patient or tolerant? How do you demonstrate tolerance?
If you're waiting for something you're looking forward to, you have to, well, you can be tolerant by waiting in line or whatever you are to be doing what you're doing.
Yes.
And be patient so you...
Yes, you know what, you're on the right track. And there's another way you could say it too, like if you tolerate something, like if someone in front of you is drinking longer and longer, you are being patient, but you're really tolerating that behavior by being patient. So that's another form of that word, tolerate. So you were being tolerant of the person in front of you, which is patience. Okay, Soto, how do you demonstrate that?
I am patient when I'm waiting for my lunch.
Okay, and so sometimes you have to tolerate the slowness of the line, don't you? So you demonstrated a lot of tolerance. What did they demonstrate? Tolerance. It's a big word, but it's another word for being patient. And actually, you both are quite strategic in your thinking because you're planning ahead. Dylan, yesterday, what did you say when you were, strategic? How do you always plan ahead? How do you do that?
Well, it might help to make a list and plan ahead for several days. Maybe write stuff down in a calendar.
That is outstanding.
Or agenda.
Okay, and that would be strategic, wouldn't it? So he'd be strategic in planning, so he could be tolerant and tolerate some of the behaviors around that might not be as patient or take some time out of the day. Well, these 2 5th graders are fabulous. They are smart, they project intelligence, and the reason they're smart is because they have effort every day in the work they do. Now, please join us for the Eastwood Pledge with our 2 wonderful, patient 5th graders. I am a proud Eastwood Eagle. I demonstrate self-control. I have integrity. I feel empathy and show compassion. I am an upstander. I work and play by the rules. I am respectful. I persevere. I choose to do and be my best. I pledge to see the best in others. Effort makes the difference. And let's end with our cheer. Picture my greatness. Picture your greatness. Picture our greatness. And what time is it? It is time to get to work.